Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're gonna be playing some good guy versus bad guy.
Doing good guys.
With my brother. Well, I kind of can't because like that's the other team already has like 50 on there. But yeah, guys, we're gonna be playing this.
How could you not see that sniper? Sniper, 6 o'clock.
I've seen this dude walk up here, so watch out. There might be a dude up here.
Nah, that one.
Everybody. Yeah.
Cause snipers are like the best thing on the team.
360. Oh, there's somebody right there.
That was me.
I know, it's you.
Now let's go kill.
Doing bad guys.
Cause I want you to see how good you are. That's me.
Honestly, I can hear him. Bruh, this is no fair. It's 2v1.
So you could be. I thought you were the king of the kings.
Nobody.
Who?
You and your friends.
I'm in the house. Okay. In the house. What other information do you want?
So
What
maybe if like I could have had a teammate, I would be.
Bro, I just told you I was in the house.
And I'm not gonna walk up in there.
Stop making jump.
Speed run.
Bro, I would have had you there too. Like, I spawned you right in the back of that house too.
Sorry guys if like I'm moving a little fast for the camera.
from the top, make it
I got
top.
ganged up on.
That's just what we want to hear.
Get a bucket and y'all use the number 3. I use number 4. Hold him, you know?
No one's ever got up here.
I kill for a kill.
No one's ever got up here. I bet you couldn't even see me from where you are. Like, even if you try to go to snipe.
Yep.
Hey, do you know how to get up there?
Yeah, watch.
It's the front one.
Well, let me get up on the ladder.
You get and break it in a month. You just got scoped. I see you too. Look.
Wait, I know where you are, bro. You suck.
Right there.
Are you up there, buddy?
Because I can.
How do you get up there? I know how.
You get up on the roof and then you have to do like parkour. Like, you look.
I know what to do.
You don't though.
Shut. I bet.
Light them up. Do you know how to get up there? 6 feet away.
Oh, dude, this dude. Do you know? Oh, talk room. Oh, talk room. Bro. Just tell me in there. On the top. What the do you mean? No, talk room. What? Bro, I'm about to like freak out because like this kid is. Oh, so he leaves. Probably next video I'm gonna be getting people on random like talk rooms. And Probably pranking them, guys. That'd be kind of fun, huh? My back hurts, though. Well, that's gonna be. Oh, excuse me. That's gonna be the end of the stream, guys. Hope you guys liked, or not the stream. That was gonna be the end of the video. Hope you guys like, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications. Hope you guys are having a good day too. Wear a mask when you're outside. See you later.